AUPH stock analysis and AUPH stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact proof. Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, it's already in this decent bullish market. Now, as the only person in this space with 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, right? So what this means is that, yeah, bro, the top here range is at 1067. I'm looking to just take advantage of this like crazy. The swing one is still going to sit, but on the lower time frame, I'm just like very briefly looking for like a double break or something. And if I do not get that, bro, like it's game over. And again, it's not forever, just for me, for now. And if you want to learn the leverage that's taken me 5 years to learn, and the resources and all that good tools that's taken me 5 to 10k months, click the first link in the description, risk-free, all workshops in Discord. 1,200 people have already tried it. Goodbye and enjoy.